Number 6, do understand how to evaluate evidence. Dr. Robert Carter wrote a really helpful article about this. It's at creation.com/howtothink, and it features a diagram he calls overlapping predictive realms.
Yeah, now the blue and red circles represent predictions made by two different worldviews. Say the blue one, or zone 1, represents biblical creation, and the red one, zone 3, was evolution. The overlapping purple section in the middle, zone 2, represents things that both worldviews predict.
Right, he says, for example, both creation and evolution can handle change over time and natural selection. So neither of these can be used as proof for evolution. Both of these ideas sit comfortably in zone 2. Thus, evolution cannot be defined as simply change over time. And then he says, in fact, that's about the lamest possible definition. Any definition of evolution must also include a belief in common ancestry, which is definitely not in the area of overlap. Anything in zone 2, he says, is non-discriminating information or information that cannot be used to make a distinction between the two theories. Now, and then he says this, evolutionists have been blurring the lines between the zones for over a century.
Yeah, here's the key. Nearly all of the supposed evidence for evolution you're likely to be shown in science class falls into zone 2.
In zone 2, yeah.
Yeah, and that leads to the next tip, number 7. Do learn the problems with evolution. Yes. Examples of natural selection, antibiotic resistance, speciation, living things adapting to changing environments, similar structures in living things, all these things, they all fit within zone 2.
Right, yeah.
They cannot be used for proof of evolution since they also fit with the creation model.
Yes, yeah. Here are some problems with evolution. Natural selection and mutations are incapable of producing the diversity of life on Earth. Mutations are driving living things to extinction. They're no help to evolution.
Right.
Darwin's finches and the peppered moths examples are often put up as evidence for evolution. Learn why they're not. Transitional fossils, where are they? If evolution is true, we should be drowning in them, but there's only a handful of mostly debunked possibilities promoted. The origin of life from a pool of chemicals. There's massive scientific problems there with that issue.